talk about a very important topic that most of the parents are confused about: visual schedules. Is it really important? Is it time consuming or waste of time? Can the child and the family can really get benefited from visual schedules? So today we will talk about visual schedules, its purpose, and how the family as well as the child can get benefited from that. My name is Farzana Shoaib. I have over 15 years of experience as a special educator. Welcome to my channel, 5 Pillars, Autism and Special Needs Support. Some parents say, my child can talk, so why do they need a visual schedule? As a special educator, I have personally seen how visual schedules can reduce stress, improve understanding, and help children become more independent. So in this video, let's understand what visual schedules are, why they are important, who can benefit from them, and how to begin using them in simple ways. So what is a visual schedule? A visual schedule is a tool that uses picture, symbols, words, or objects to show the order of activities or events. It helps children understand what they are doing now, what comes next, and when the activity is finished. Visual schedules bring structure and predictability. For many children, visuals are easier to understand than spoken instructions. Now let's see why visual schedules are important. Visual schedules are more than just pictures. They help children understand routine, reduce anxiety, improve transitions, build independence, and develop confidence. When children know what to expect, they often feel calmer and more secure. Visual schedules also support learning, communication, and behavior. Now let's see the types of visual schedules. There are different types of visual schedules based on the child's understanding level. Object schedules are used with real objects. Photo schedules use real photographs. Pictures or symbol schedules use drawing or icons. Written schedules use words and checklists. Visual schedules can be used in many places and situations. At home, at school, in therapy. So at home, for example, is for morning routine, bedtime, mealtime, toilet training, or household chores. At school, it can be for classroom routine, transition, group activities, and task completion. And in therapy, for speech, for occupational therapy, for ABA session, or remedial teachings. They can even be used for outings, restaurant visits, shopping, or community routines. Now let's see whether visual schedule can only be used for children with autism spectrum. No, visual schedules are not only for children with autism spectrum disorder. They can also help children with ADHD, intellectual disability, learning disabilities, speech and language delays, Down syndrome, anxiety, and executive function difficulties. Now let's see how the family can get benefited. Visual schedules do not help only the child. They help the whole family. Parents often experience less stress, less repeating instructions, smoother routines, and fewer conflicts. Families may notice that morning becomes easier, bedtime becomes calmer, and siblings also begin following routines better. Visual schedules create more clarity and predictability at home. What age can visual schedules be introduced? Visual schedules can be introduced very early. Toddlers may start with simple object or photo schedules. Preschool children often respond very well to picture schedules. Older children may use written schedules, checklists, planners, or mobile schedules. Even teenagers and adults benefit from visual organization. Why many parents don't use visual schedules? Many parents do not avoid visual schedules because they don't care. Often they feel real challenges. Some parents are not aware of what visual schedules are. Some believe visuals are only for severe autism or nonverbal children. Others feel creating schedules take too much time. Busy routine, lack of consistency, or lack of proper guidance can also make it difficult. Some children may initially resist visuals, and parents may stop too early before the child understands the routine. Now let's see why some schools don't use visual schedules. Some schools also struggle to use visual schedules regularly. Reasons may include lack of awareness, lack of teacher training, large classroom sizes, limited time, or lack of resources. Some educators may feel visual schedules are only for young children or severe disabilities, but even small visual supports can make a big difference in classroom routines and students' understanding. Now, let me give you some tips so that you can start using it and you will also know how to use it and when to use it. Tip number 1, start small. Do not start with a full day schedule immediately. Begin with just 2 or 3 activities. For example, brush teeth, breakfast, and school. Tip number 2, choose the right type. Choose visuals based on your child's understanding level. Some children understand object better. Others respond well to photos, pictures, or written schedules. Tip number 3, use real life routines. Start with familiar daily routine. Morning routine, snack time, playtime, or bedtime are good starting points. Tip 4. Keep it simple and clear. Use simple pictures and short words. Avoid too many visuals or crowded layouts. Clear visuals are easier for children to understand. Tip number 5. Place it where it is used. Keep the schedule where the activity happens. For example, bathroom schedule in the bathroom, bedtime routine near the bed, or classroom schedule inside the classroom. Tip 6. Teach the child how to use it. Initially, guide the child step by step. Point to the picture, say the activity aloud, and help them follow the routine. Tip number 7. Use the finished concept. After completing an activity, remove the picture, tick it, or move it to a finished section. This helps children understand progress and transitions. Tip 8. Make it personal and meaningful. Use your child's interests, favorite colors, or real photos whenever possible. Personalized visuals are often more motivating and engaging. Tip number 9. Offer choices when possible. Offer small controlled choices within the schedule. For example, do you want the red shirt or blue shirt? Choice helps children feel involved or more cooperative. The last tip, tip 10. Review and prepare for changes. Review the schedule regularly and prepare the child for the change in advance. Advance warning and visual support help reduce anxiety during transitions. Visual schedules are not just about routines. They are about helping children feel secure, confident, and independent. Even small visual support can create meaningful changes in a child's daily life. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.